When seconds mattered, one Army NCO chose his men over himself. On November 13, 1968 in Vietnam, Hungarian-born Staff Sergeant Laszlo Rabel was serving as leader of Team Delta 74th Infantry Detachment, 173rd Airborne Brigade. His team was positioned in a defensive perimeter while conducting reconnaissance along enemy trail networks. That morning, one of his men detected enemy movement to their front. As Staff Sergeant Rabel and another soldier prepared to clear the area, he heard the unmistakable sound of a grenade landing inside the perimeter. With complete disregard for his own life, Staff Sergeant Rabel spotted the grenade and threw himself onto it, covering it with his body and absorbing the full force of the explosion, killing him. His actions prevented the loss of life and serious injury among the other members of Team Delta. And for this, Staff Sergeant Laszlo Rabel was posthumously awarded the Medal of Honor.